Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 3rd math. In today's video, we'll start the concept understanding simple concepts in geometry. This is page number 16, old as well as in new textbook. We have already started 4th chapter and we have completed recap exercise. Okay, so this concept is very important. The concept name is understanding simple concept in geometry. What is this here? Point. This is called a point. Yes, you can see, this is called a point. This is a point. We name it by any capital letter of the English alphabet. For example, P. Yes. A point can be made by the tip of your pencil like this. Yes or not? Yes. A point can be made by the tip of your pencil. See, like this. Like this. Okay. A point is so small that it has been drawn very carefully. It shows a defined position. Yes. It shows a defined position like this. Very small, and we have to draw very carefully. Okay. It shows a defined position. It shows a definite position. Yes or not? Yes. What is this called? This is called a point. Okay. We name it by any capital letters of English alphabet. For example, P. Okay. So, for example, P. Next, straight line. This is a geometrical straight line. Yes or not? Yes. This is a geometrical straight line. It has a arrowhead on the both side. Arrowhead. So this is called as arrowhead. Okay. This is called as arrowhead on both side. Arrowhead. So okay. So this is called as arrowhead. So it has arrow on both sides to show that we can make it longer on the other side. Yes or not? Yes. Okay, you can make straight line longer. Okay. We mark points on the both sides of the line and the points A comma B. Okay, so here they have points A and B. Okay, we mark points on both sides also. We have marked the line and the name. What is the name of the points? A and B. Okay, now we can name the straight line AB. Yes, you can name the straight line AB. Okay, now you can make the straight line AB. A line has no endpoints. It has no definite length. Okay, so a line has no length points. See here, a line has no end points, so it has no definite length. Straight lines can be made in any direction. You can see here, straight line can be made in any direction. See here, like this and like this. XY is a horizontal straight line. This is horizontal. X and Y is horizontal. X and Y is horizontal straight line. Next, CD is a vertical straight line. Here CD is a vertical straight line. This is horizontal. X and Y is horizontal straight line. This is vertical. This is vertical straight line. Next, RS is a slanting straight line. You can call it oblique line. So, okay. So, this is slanting. Okay. So, this is slanting straight line and we can call it as oblique line. Okay. We can call it as oblique line. Okay now? Yes. Next, line segment. The straight line between 2 points is called a line segment. The straight line between 2 points, here PQ is a line segment. Here PQ is a line segment. The points P and Q are called the end points. Yes, the point P and the point Q are called the end points of the line segment PQ. Yes, The points P and Q are called the end points of the line segment PQ. Okay, a line segment can be measured with a ruler, that is, it has a definite length. It has no breadth or thickness. Yes, you can find here any breadth or thickness? No, it has no breadth or thickness. Okay, so this is called as line segment. The straight line between 2 points is called a line segment. Okay, so this is line segment. The straight line between 2 points P and Q is a line segment. Next, page number 61. Ray. This is called as ray. Okay, MN is a ray. MN is a ray. One point end with point. It has one arrowhead because it has only one arrowhead to show that it can be made longer from side of N. Okay, you can see here M and this is N. Okay, so it has one arrowhead. You can find here at the side of N one arrowhead. Yes or not? Yes. To show that it can be made longer from the side of N. So from the side of N you can make the line longer. Okay. The ray MN has one end point M. Yes. Because in this the ray MN has only one end point, that is M. The point M is called the initial point and this point is called initial point. The point M is called initial point of the ray MN. Okay, so MN is a ray. It has one arrowhead. It has one arrowhead to show that it can be made longer from the side of N. The ray MN has one end point, that is M. The point M is called the initial point of the ray. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Lines AB and CD are crossing each other at a point P. Okay, so this is a point P. Okay, A, B, C, D are intersecting line at a point P. So these are intersecting lines. So these are intersecting lines. See here. This is one point, this is one line and this is one line. This is point P. This is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D and here C and D. Okay. So this is intersecting lines. Okay. P is called the point of intersection. This P is called the point of intersection. Okay. Next, curved lines. Curved lines. Zigzag lines are curved lines and can be made any way you like. Okay. So like this. Zigzag lines. Okay. The symbol or sign, this stands for a straight line. Okay. This is for ray and this stands for a line segment. We already learned just now. Okay. So this is the concept of simple concept in geometry. Okay. Simple concept in geometry. Okay. Next, in the next class I will start exercise 4.1. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.